Now I'm having data like this. So let me go ahead as a dt and I'll save it to CSV. I'll say E drive data set slash, I'll say result1.csv. It is done. So let me read it back because I'm not having file in this format. So I'll make this manually. Path. Let me copy the path. So index I won't require. So let me remove this index. Index label none and index is false. Okay. It removed the department. So let me take a department also with us. And index label. Okay. Index label is what? Something is there. No. Index label. Currently, I want to watch. So let it be. So now I have been asked to make the analytics from here. Customer asked to analyze my performance of range. First, I say 1998 to let's say 2006, and 2006 to 2007 to let's say last. So if you have data like this, how do you go about that? That's a basic thing. So anybody from you can answer. So what is the option available? We can go for. So cut to column पे लगता है, यहाँ तो column नहीं है. It's an index only, columns only. So cut would not be right choice because this years are not in the form of column data. It's a column headings. So even if you run a cut, so you have to specify column. No? So it's not in a form of column. But you got the right thing. So we need to have a cut operation to be there for making a grouping. So but cut would be there on column only. Okay. So we are having an option of melting your data. Melting means we are combining. So we are asking this year to be recorded for each department. I should get data of finance to be repeated for every year, and against every year I'll be getting data. If you have data in a column of years, then you are go for cut. So let's see the things how you go about the pd.melt. I'll say melting to be done on df1 id variables. The first column which you want to be keep as it is without doing any change. I'll say it would be my department only. I don't want to change the department values. Let it be no change should be there. Okay. I'll say change to be there. I'll say let it be any name. You can say I'll let it be here. It's a text value. You can give anything. So depending on your requirement, you can case the things. So I'd say next. Let me see if it's done. Otherwise, I'll take a call. Name my value. Other than department, all things would taken as a year and taken as a value. Okay. Yes, good to go. See, read the sentence correctly. So I say my melting to be done on TF1, and my column to be keep it as it is without repeating, without changing. Without repeating should not be there. Without changing, will not be changing the row to column to row. Let it be, and we are changing rest rather than department. Rest would be taken as a variable. Rest would be taken as a variable. You can give it anything here. Depending on requirement, you can change it. Is nothing belong to your headings. It's a name of column you are giving it. You can give any damn thing, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And this value name is the data which you want to push against each. This is also can be anything. These are not keywords. It can be anything which you can put. Let me write it correctly. For readability, I'll say salary for better understanding. So I melted this data. Melted means we had decomposed this data in a different segment altogether. You can see department finance sales 1998. Similar fashion is there for up to 2012. For each year, this complete data has been repeated. Now, as you told, we can go for cut. I'll put it at df2. So what is the syntax of cut? I say cut. I'll say my df2. My column name is my year. And bin to be, I'll say bin to be, let's say 2019, say, I'll say 2000, it was 2000, it was there, 2006, okay. 2006, then 2006 to 2014. I'll say group name to be there. I'll say first group is, let's say, pre 2006. I'll say next is post 2005. And in any name you can go for. So depending on case, let me see what happened. 1, 2, 3. Bin. So we have done anything wrong. Greater than not supported between string orient. String is what? Why is string a string? Just give me 1 minute. df2 d type. Oh, here is in a string format. Very good. But why so? df here df2 as type. That good to go. pd.cut df year 1. Data should be in numeric, otherwise would you will not be able to make the grouping part. So 1998, 2005 is my middle point, and 2018, I suppose. Okay. Labeling if you want, so I say pre 2006, post 2006, 2005. This is NAM. 2005 से ये range कहाँ से आ गई? 2018 अच्छा starting point है. Let me take one value before. Yes, good to go. I'll say label to be there. Let me take a label. It's a label or group label? Labels. Pre and post. So now you can do analytics. I'll say year category. I'll put it here, df2. Now you can do for your analytics. I'll say group by. I'll say year category. Then I'll say this salary was there as a column. I'll just sum to be there. Yes. So depending on case, you can work out. So I say I'm looking for AGG, sum and length. So, these are the number of cases. Pre 2006, we are in 30 cases with the sum of salary this one, and post we are in 45 cases with sum of this one. So depending on your data, but this melting is a very important case, because in general cases we generally get a report extracted from CRM, SAP, and other ERP software. So we do get this sort of data, and you being asked as a data analytics person, so you need to do analytics based on your column headers also. So if you are having anything in a column header to be analytics, to do analytics on the same values, so you have to go for melting. If you don't do melting, your data will not be getting converted into. That's a clear cut funda. There is no keywords. ID variables is a fixed column which you want to keep without changing into. Rest of the column will be taken as a variable columns. So variable columns will be melted based on your department columns. Repeat your department columns and put your individual columns against the departments. That's a normal case. Pandas, still we do have few things to go. We'll continue doing in the machine learning also. I rest my course here. I welcome your queries. You can ask your queries. Any queries?
Can we have some kind of notes or presentation, like for whatever pointers you mentioned, like in a way like this will happen only in this way, something like that, because in the code part we cannot remember everything when we go back.
There is one book which is mentioned on your syllabus.
Okay.
Data analytics, I suppose Python for data analytics. I suppose first book was there. That book is good to go. That's very good book, and most of the topic you will get it from there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll refer this book. I'll share this link.
All right, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other queries?
Sir, can you explain this pivot once again?
Okay, pivot.
Yes,
I'll explain. Next question.
Sir, Vivek,
yes,
sir,
Vivek.
my question is regarding HTML. While copying the HTML, we were mentioning df0 head 1 for mentioning the row-wise data. So, sir, if there is a tabular format, then this is fine. If there is not a tabular format, then how to copy the data?
In that case, we'll not take the HTML in Panda. We'll be going for handling with web scraping utilities.
Okay.
This beautiful soup package was there, which we can use to get a data extracted from HTML page.
Okay, sir.
If data in tabular form, then only will get df0. df0 and df1 is saying that we might have multiple tables on same page. So df0 indicating that you are extracting first table.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So for pivot, let me go once more. So I'm going for master data again. I'm having this master data. I'm being asked to show the department and let's say gender wise. Department and gender wise sum of salary. So if you don't do pivot, we can go for this group by, but group by output would not be a readable output. So let me go for a group by first, then I'll go for rest. So as a department, I'll say gender. I'll say get salary to be sum up. This is a normal case, but this is not readable. We need to go for unstacking this petty code is there. So rather than going for the bigger code, I'll go for, let me optimize it. Index is which I want in a row value to be taken as. So as a department. Next, a column is there which recommend you to whatever value you want as a column to be considered as. I say gender. I say values on which column you want a calculation to be done. I say salary column is there. And what calculation you want to go on salary part, ARG function is there. I say sum to be done. If you do this pivot, you will get an analytics part. And for the this grand totals and all, you can go for margins true. Get it? Grand totals. So very popular function of Panda pivot. Most of the cases you will be referring the pivot for summation of your data. Neat and clear outcome of your data outputs.
Okay, sir.
Any other query?
So can you go to that where you have cut that age part?
age. This is pd.cut df master age. Bn is your bin. Labels is group name.
Yeah, sir. How this is sorted in descending order?
How this is?
Sorted. I mean, the output is sorted in descending order.
This is sorted in descending order based on your count only, but the count generally don't have the sorting functions done.
Yes, sir.
So it's a mystery for me. Let me see. There must be some rules out there.
Yes.
If you don't want to sort it, you can go ahead and use sort value functions there, because data is in series format.
Okay, sir. So one more query. So like where you have replaced the null values with 0. So what is the command of replacing the null values with mean?
Where? In pivot?
No, sir. In this, what you have taken that?
Pivot only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here.
Here you can specify
But,
any specific. Say I want to mean to be replaced.
salary dot mean.
Let me see. Or you can declare it earlier. You can utilize the particular case. Mean is not a. Okay, let me calculate it somewhere else. DF master is there, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
Now this 0 has been replaced with the mean.
Yeah,
So depending on the case, you can take a call.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we use np.replace over here as well, right?
np.replace, yes, you can go for. np.replace means what?
Like for this NA values.
You can store this output in a data frame, and on data frame you can apply this feature, replace.
Okay.
So suppose you have taken this value without converting it. So I'm not putting fill NA here. It would be like this, and holding it to say dt2. And further, I can say dt is nothing a data frame. I can use any functions available. Say any column, or you can say directly replace would be there, depending on case. So I say np.nan to 0. So if np is there, it will replace with 0. You can do column wise, or you can do data frame wise. Both the options are available. It's better you do it in pivot only. Better for you'll save your time. Fill value 0. Otherwise, you have to do this. Next query.
Sir, I guess there is one query in chat window. Can you check that one?
Chat. Why headers are also removed? Skip rows. Skip rows. We are not removing headers. Let me see.
Sir, there we haven't kept headers equal to none, so that is why we are getting that.
That might be case. That might be case. So let me see. pd.read CSV and say the column data set sales on the CSV. Then I'll say skip rows. I'll say first and second. I don't go for first. Let it go for second and third. DF head. No, headers are as it is. We are not compromising headers.